Hello, class. Today we are going to revisit geography as we start our new unit. So first things first, we're going to start on page 1. You're going to need a pencil, you're going to need the map, you're going to need a scavenger's hunt half sheet of paper. On page 1, of course, right away, please write your name. First and last name is great. You've already recorded your legend on your map. So now I'd just like for us to check our answers to make sure that we have the continents correctly labeled. There's 7 continents and we should know this. We should know, and if we don't know, it's okay. We're learning it right now. So North America, I'm just gonna number it where it is. In fact, I'm gonna actually use a different color pencil or pen so it can be better seen. Okay, here's 2, South America, Africa is here, 3, Europe is 4, Asia is 5, all of that's Asia, Australia 6, and Antarctica 7. Okay, so we've just got everything labeled on this map for the world, and we know that we've done US and Canada, which is in North America. We've looked at Latin America, which a lot of it is South America, and now we're transitioning to page 2, which is Southwest Asia and North Africa. Well, I hope that you notice that we've got latitude and longitude on our map, and we're going to be using latitude and longitude for our scavenger hunt to find the 21 countries of this particular region: North Africa, Northern Africa, and Southwest Asia. Okay, what I like for us to do is we are actually going to make our lines of latitude and longitude a little easier to deal with. Right now, we've got 15-degree increments. Our graph, if you will, or our grid of the Earth goes by 15 degrees on this map. 15, 30, 45, and then we see it here at the top, 15, 0, 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay, we want to make it a little easier for us as we map all of these different countries. So what we're going to do is, if this is 30 and this is 45, we can kind of estimate that 35 would be here and then 40 degrees north would be there. Okay, we're going to do this all the way around our perimeter of our map so that when it's time to map these 21 countries using absolute location, it's going to be a little easier for us. So we'll do this up here. We'll go, okay, 15 to 0, it's actually going down. So this will be about 10. This will be about 5 degrees, okay? And then now we see now it's 0, then it bounces back up. So from 0 to 15, this will be about 5, and this will be about 10, okay? Go ahead, I'm going to pause the video and give you a chance to go around the perimeter and, do the rest of the counting by 5s, and then we'll check our work. So I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so 30, 35, 40, 50, and you see it's kind of splitting the difference. We want it to be even because it's all 5, so we want it to be even. That's how I'm kind of just quickly doing it, but you could also count. So 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what I'm doing. You're gonna do that all the way around. All right, let's pretend mine's all the way done. I trust that you've helped one another and you're asking questions if you have it. Okay, let's look at number 7. Country number 7 is Iraq. Let's look at Iraq and see if we can find it on the map using latitude and longitude. So we've got 35 degrees north. All right, here we go, 35 degrees north. Then we've got 45 degrees east. All right, you know the drill. We are going to be seen, we're gonna, go until our fingers meet, and then where it meets, that's the country. Okay, so we've got 35, and then we've got 45. Okay, we're right here. So this would be Iraq. Okay, and I'm gonna just write the country name in the country space. All right. Now, just really quickly, a little bit more information about our scavenger hunt. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bonus countries. These countries are on your map. All of our countries are for Southwest Asia, and North Africa are in white. Okay, but these 4 countries are actually the most difficult countries to find. So that's why they're your bonus countries. So do these last. Now, you'll notice that Jordan, Lebanon, Afghanistan, Israel, Oman, and the UAE those countries are in bold font. That just means that they're challenging to find, but they're not quite as difficult as the bonus countries. So do those second to last. That means that majority of the other countries on our scavenger hunt paper, you can do those first. So like Algeria, let's see here, Egypt, Iran, we just did Iraq. Those are a little easier to find. So start with those. All right. I'm asking for volunteers, student volunteers, to also be my teacher assistants and helping people as neighbors and people in your area need help. I'll also be walking around assisting people. All right, go ahead and let's get started. We've got about 10 to 12 minutes to work on this. All right, go.